Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how to change the back cover in your Huawei P10 Lite. This is the model WAS LX1. This operation is quite simple. As I see, my back cover have original glue, so I'm gonna have a little easier to install it. But before it, you should remove the back cover, your original. For this we need to heat up the back and remove the back cover. And now try to put the knife or something under things and lift it up. Be patient and do it slowly. Okay, and I think we are in. Okay, we are in. Now we're gonna clean this little mess. And we should try to uninstall this part. This is the fingerprint sensor. Okay. Now we're gonna do the clean of the wall, of the frame here, if we got some glue, but I didn't see any glue here. This is for the light sensor here. Only things we need to clean is the fingerprint sensor. We're gonna clean this around the frame and install to the new back cover. Okay, let's see if we have here some glue, but I don't see any glue here. Yep, it doesn't have a glue. Cyk. Okay. Install the sensor here. And now let's clean around the frame with the isopropyl alcohol. Dobra. Now we're gonna prepare to install this part here. By fitting the glue. Okay. And before it, let's use the B7 7000 glue. This is the good glue to glue the back cover here, yes? Remember that. It's very, very good and solid. If you don't have it, just buy it on AliExpress or eBay or something like that, as this is the good glue. Chuja kurwa załatwił. Chuja kurwa. Chuja, a chuja. Chuja w dupę, chuja. Okay. We are in and getting the back cover here installed. Let's gonna take our fingerprint sensor here. Okay. I think it's good enough here. And now just install properly here. Whoops, no, it's not all. Let's install this things here. Fuck shit. I think it's gluing properly here. If yes, let's start to accomplish our mission. And let's wait for 1 day until your back cover gonna glue the rest of the phone and get the hard install here. So now we're gonna only wait 1 day until we complete this operation. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can subscribe my channel and see you by next video. And one tip, if you doesn't have this tool, you can press it by the book. One book here, and press it will be the same. Bye.